In this video, I'll guide you through the process of transferring money from Zelle to Cash App. First and foremost, open Cash App and tap on the user icon located in the top right corner. From there, scroll down and select the linked bank accounts option. Next, tap on Link Debit Card and then choose No Card. This action will redirect you to the following page. Simply click Continue to proceed. In this example, I am demonstrating the linkage of my Cash App with my Sophie bank account, which is already connected to my Zelle account. Locate your bank's name in the list and tap on it. Upon selection, you'll be directed to a login page where you should enter your bank login credentials. A verification code will be sent to your registered mobile number or email address. Enter the code in the designated box to proceed. A confirmation screen will appear. Simply click Continue to add the bank account to your Cash App. Now, return to the Cash App homepage and tap on the banking icon situated in the bottom left corner. Select Add Cash or Cashback and enter the amount you wish to transfer from Zelle to Cash App. Then, click Add at the bottom and you're all set.